This one I'm on the bed. On the lights. No, not fan. I'm feeling cold. The lights. Where that boy trouser place. Good. Hello, everyone. Today I'm so happy. I was so happy that I had to call my own name at Modesta Lifestyle. Now Coco Mama. I was so happy. Hello, sweetie. I did live. Oh. Abby, come and join me. All right. Okay. All right. Choice TV. It no easy. Any person will say it easy to apologize. Make it can't say sorry. Any person that say that it's easy to apologize, the person should come and say sorry. Let's see. For Choice to drop everything that she feels and come and say sorry. Choice, I give you hand. Choice, I give you hand. You see all these people who sabi talk anyhow. Most of them know they get mind though. The ones where they get mind are the ones who no sabi talk. Then go do you. Choice. I just felt that when I saw this apology today, I was so happy and I felt that I should at least say, well done. I should say, well done. Because they say he who apologizes is the bigger person. So that no matter who wants to shame you, think that you are scared or think that whatever it is, just know that somebody here is hailing you. They hail you. I know you've erred before, but for the fact that you have brought down yourself and said, if I've offended you, I am sorry. I give you my 2-hand Choice. I give you my 2 hand. God will bless you. God will open ways for you. God will open, in fact, anything where you touch, as you start this celebrity gist, your own go just they go viral in Jesus' name. Because he who wants peace shall continue to follow the person. That is why the Bible will say that blessed are the peacemakers. Yes, for they shall be called sons of God. It's not easy to be peacemaker. Somebody will want peace. We say, I am sorry. We bring down all him pride. You brought down all your pride and say, I am sorry. I say, I give it to you. It's not easy. I give it to you. Even when it will look like you are a low life, even when it will look like you are nothing, you brought down yourself and you said sorry. Choice, take my 2 hand. Take my 5 hand. Choice, I don't know how to say well done, but let me be the one to give you bosa. If nobody gives you bosa, let me be the one to say well done. Let me give you bosa that nobody will give you. Some people will say you are scared. Madam, you are not scared. Do you have water? I have a big flex. Yes. I have bottled water. Give me. You drink milk. I drank milk. Oh. I'm so happy today. I just made a video of peace yesterday. I don't even know whether she watched it or she did not watch it. 92 people watching. Please like the stream for me. Like the stream for me. I'm so happy. There is nothing like peace. For somebody to come out and say, I am sorry. It's not easy. Some people feel too big to say sorry. But she came out and said sorry. And I say, Bossa, for Choice TV, God will bless you. God will bless you. Like this video. You wait, your figure big. Yes, my figure big. You know, small. Privacy. You guys, I think she's happy. Yes, I am very, very happy. Very. I don't know if you're angry or sad or happy or being inspirational. I am very happy. I am also being inspirational here because honestly, some people feel too big to say sorry. It is not easy to say sorry, but for somebody to bring out herself and come and say sorry, I say Looking very hot. Thank you. Hello, I have a question. Do Turkish people come and help in your country? Turkish people, if you if you want to come and help in my country, come and help. Oh, please like the stream for me. Like the stream for me. I'm so happy. Did Mr. Beast build you a well? Mr. Beast did not build a well here. Oh. He did not build a well for me. But if you want to build a well for me, please, oh, start dropping it. Which one can be real sex again? Which kind matter be this one now? I beg. It's like please. Lots of investors from Turkey and everywhere. Start investing here. Like the stream for me. Like the stream for me. I say, there is someone we call Choice TV on the Nigerian YouTube space. It is not easy to say sorry. Some people don't know how to say sorry. They feel too big. They feel that their pride will go on the ground when they say sorry. And I've come out to hail her and tell her well done. Because to say sorry is not easy. If there is nobody praising you for saying sorry, I am your number one fan. I am praising you for saying sorry. It's not easy. It's not everybody that can come out and say sorry. Hello from California. Hi from Nigeria. I had 14 cents in Dogecoin. It raised to 30. Your luck. Do a backflip. Which big ass? What's that, please? Which one be which big ass again? Which big ass? I don't know which one you're saying. But what I'm saying here is, I am so happy. Avoid hole. How much? Which one be how much? What is how much again, please? What are you? Mbowa. Which one be this one again? Mbowa. But Choice TV, please. I hail you. I say well done. Continue. In fact, this niche that you want to enter, this gossip, celebrity gist or whatever, you're going to prosper. For coming out to say sorry, it's not easy. You think it's everybody that can say sorry. Some people feel too big. They cannot say sorry. But Choice, I hail you. Well done. Well done. If there is nobody that will tell you well done, I am here telling you well done. Well done. Avoid hole. Which one is how much? I will give you money. Please give me money, oh. I'm looking for money. So I need that money. Be dropping the money there. India. Do a... Which one is backflip again? I should do backflip. Not be smarting. So well done, okay? Choice TV is, in fact, for those of you that are feeling too big to apologize, I'm here telling you that saying sorry is nothing. See me saying I am sorry. I don't know how you want me to say it. If someone say you've offended them, whether it's true or not, there is no harm in saying sorry and let everything go. It doesn't stop you from when you see video, you analyze and go without calling names. Do constructive criticism. Yes, that is what you should do. Let us have peace in the Nigerian space. Maybe with time we can go everywhere, enjoy ourselves in this YouTube space. You know. I have no money now. Why will you not have money now? Real. This one said, Eren said bigas, and it means niggas, and it means slaves, and didn't mean to say for you. Whatever, me, that's none of my business. You can see me, I'm very, very happy now. In fact, I'm so happy. Like the stream for me as you're coming in. I have $300. Well done. Thank God for you, okay? So, the purpose of this video is to say well done to the first person that have apologized so far. And I wish more people will join the apology train and then concentrate on whatever gist they see. Even if it's gist of a fellow YouTuber, even if it's my gist you want to carry, you carry it. But the only thing is that constructive criticism And then when you analyze, you make sure that you are not being disrespectful or using vulgar words. That's all. There is nothing bad in it. I just want to make this short video to tell you, sir, to tell you thank you, Charles, and to say well done to you, okay? He called you slave, whatever he wants to call me, let him call me. That is his own, in this life, people call people what they are. Like, you judge people by what your brain tells you, what your brain says. Whatever your brain says that you are, you call people that thing. If you like praising people, it means that deep within you, you are happy with yourself. But those that are not happy with themselves, they are the ones that like downgrading and calling people names, because naturally they are not even happy with themselves. They are not happy wherever they are. You see me, I am a proud Nigerian Igbo woman. Like seriously, who they breathe? Who they? Even, what did he say? He called you slave. Whatever. Let him call himself whatever he feels. It doesn't concern me. All I know is that he said what he is inside himself. I am going to like your life if you like Turkish people and make me mod. I like Turkish people, but being a mod doesn't just come from just today. You have to consistently visit this life. One day, I will just make you a mod. Please stand up. Why should I stand up? For what? For you or what? Are you my husband or what? Why should I stand up? Please, stand up for Jesus. Uza, please give me water to drink there. And come. Hey, I'm so happy. Happy girl. Happy mom. Happy woman. Nose water looks towel. Yes, so you are right. On this phone for me. Thank you. Let me drink my sachet water. I should stand up for Allah Islam. Why should I stand up for Allah Islam? Am I a Muslim? I'm not a Muslim now. If you say stand up for Jesus, Allah is God. Jesus is our savior. Anyway, I can stand up for Allah since Allah means God. I can stand up for Jesus, but I'm not standing up now, okay? You can't just, how will I call it? This is what we call religious blackmail. Religious blackmail. Good at football. One editor. TR. Hey. Please stand up for Allah. Alright, so I pray that other people will join in this peace campaign that I'm doing right now. I want peace in the Nigerian YouTube space. I don't know how it's going to happen. I am not a miracle, miracle maker, but I know that God will do it. And I'm praying, I'm motivating more people. More people should join this peace train. Let us have peace in this Nigerian YouTube space. Let's have peace. The train is moving. It has started with choice. And I say, Bosa for you, choice. I say, Bosa for you. Bosa for you. Choice, well done. We also believe in Jesus, but we believe him as a prophet. Yes, it's true. Islam too believe in Jesus, but as a prophet. Prophet, and Nabi, no. And Nabi Isa, right? yes, and Nabi Isa. I am third. Which one is third again? Then fire. Ha. I don't know what you're saying, no. I don't know what you're saying. I know I have Muslim friends. We are all the same source, God Almighty Allah. Yes, we should know that everybody is from the same source, from God, from one God. Please, I just want this video to be as short as anything. I just wanted to say, Choice TV, well done. It's not easy. It's not easy. Some people will not do this thing. They cannot just do it. Pride will not let some people do it. Some people will feel that, see, telling somebody sorry does not mean that you are the one that is guilty. Telling somebody sorry does not mean that you are stupid. Telling somebody sorry does not mean that you are, how am I going to call it, that you are lowly. No, it shows that you are matured. It shows that you understand. It shows that you are well trained. It shows that your brain is developed. So I give it to you. I give it to you. I almost got stabbed in my stomach today while trying to drink water. Here. Which one is that one again? Hello, I almost got stabbed. Why would they stab you when you are trying to drink? What happened? What really happened? Also, his name is not Jesus in Islam. Yes, his name is Annabi Isa in Islam. Okay? Why the Prophet Muhammad is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yes, something like that. Also, his name is not, yes. So, I'm so happy. And please, this video is just going to be a short one because it's just to thank our first and biggest peacemaker on YouTube. I say well done and bravo to you, okay? The first person to say sorry, God will bless you. As others say sorry too, I'm going to make videos congratulating you, hailing you, because if you say sorry easy, come out and say sorry. Let us see. Come out and say sorry. The knife was on the table when I drink it. I leaned over the table, but I forgot there is knife there. Here. Oh, which kind of story is this one? How will you forget? What were you thinking? Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yes. Alaihi wasallam. So me, I say alaihi wasallam. That means it's the what that I'm supposed to remove, right? Football editor TR. Right? I was supposed to remove the what. So, please, this live stream was supposed to be very, very short. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I was only trying to hail the peacemaker. The one who apologized is the bigger person. If you've offended anybody anywhere, go and say sorry. Sorry is not, salam means ham, and ham is made out of pork in Romania. Salam means ham. Are you sure? Are you sure? How do you know about Islam so much? I know about Islam, oh. Back then when I was a kid growing up, my friend Aisha, she's a Muslim. So whenever she wants to pray, she will tell me to wait for her. So most times I will just go close to her. And then I will sit with her and I will watch her do this ablution. She will just be doing ablution. She will clean her twice, like that. I will just be watching her mouth and everything. Wash her face, wash her inner body, all those things. I will just be watching her. And me, I'm from a Christian home. I will watch her. She will start prayers. I will watch her. She will finish prayers. When she finished, we will now go out together. And that's how I now got used to it. So I know how to even pray in Islam. Then back then in our primary school, we do Muslim prayer, we do Christian. Salam in Romania is ham. Okay. I thought salam means peace. Don't mind Danny. Pray, let us confirm. Which one is pray, let us confirm? Oh, wow, so good. So that's how I knew how to follow her and do. She would just go and do Allahu Akbar. Allah. I keep asking her, what are you saying? She would tell me that she's saying Allahu Akbar. I asked her the meaning. She said it means God is great. She would do a lot of things. In fact, I know how to say a lot of prayers. Even this one they do. When they finish, she will not do like this. This Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. She will do it like this. Her hand will be like this. Then when she finish, she will not do like this. Amen. Abizi. Amen. I watch her when they want to come into your house. Hello. To your house, you hear them say, she made a dua then. Maybe, I don't know. But when she wants to go, Assalamu alaikum. So she would tell me to say, wa alaikum wassalam. So I kept learning all those things. I know a lot of things in Islam, Quran, their chesbi, there are a lot of things that I know in Islam. But then I'm a Christian, a staunch Catholic, So it didn't stop me from being religion very well. For me, I believe that religion is all about choice. Because if me as as an Igbo lady, I was born in the northern part of this our country, Nigeria, probably I will be okay. All right, bye. Probably I will be a Muslim. And if she was born here by my own parents, she will be a Christian. So for me, religion is nothing. Whichever one that you are in, just practice it very well. Hold it tight. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. Say love you. Well, bye bye.